Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if you notice, today's video is a little bit different. I'm super far away and you guys can kind of see my whole hair. That's because today I'm actually doing a hair tutorial. Alright you guys, so in today's video, the company called Hairdo, I'm gonna leave that down below so you guys can go check them out and stuff like that. So they sent me 2 ponytails and I've been wanting for the longest time to like color my hair. I don't know, I've just been wanting to dye my hair for like a really long time now, but the only thing is like I don't know if my job will let me do that, and I feel like that's the case for a lot of people. So I feel like these extensions with a little bit of color at the end is like perfect because you can just wear it for the weekend or you can just wear it out and then just take it back out when you need to. So I'm going to show you the ponytail that has red tips at the bottom, and I'm going to show you the other ponytail that has purple tips at the bottom. So I'm going to show you guys how to put in the ponytail and everything like that. So Hairdo actually came out with 3 different versions of this for Coachella. They actually have other ones too, so I'm going to show you the other colors that they have. They have pink and blue and green and everything, but I'm going to show you guys the versions that they came out with for Coachella. So this is just 2 out of the 3. They also came out with another one that has blue tips. So today I'm just going to show you guys the one with the red tips and the purple tips. So alright you guys, so these 2 ponytails are the same type. So they are the 23-inch color Splash wraparound pony. And so the ones that I got that I thought would like match the end of my hair is golden wheat, and the bottom is red wine for this one. And this one is also golden wheat, but the bottom is dark purple. I feel like these 2 colors like really fit my aesthetic, so this is like the 2 that I wanted to try. Okay guys, so this is my real hair right here, and it is really long. If you guys are interested in knowing how I get my hair so long, there's actually a couple products that I use from Amazon that are really affordable, and I can definitely make a video for you guys if you guys are interested in that. So my hair is pretty long, but for me, I really wear like these type of extensions really because I really have been wanting to like have like color tips for a really long time now. So I feel like this will be perfect because it'll help like make my hair a little bit thicker, and also like I'll get the color tips that I really wanted for a while now, and I won't have to dye my hair, which is cool. These extensions are made with true to life heat friendly synthetic hair, so it can be flat ironed, it can be curled or blown out. These don't feel synthetic at all though. They feel so nice and real, and they definitely look real. I mean, look at my hair compared to it. It looks real. To prep my hair before, what I did is I noticed that these extensions already came curled, so I was like perfect. And this is like kind of how I already curl my hair, so I was like, I'll just do the same thing I do. So I curl my hair using this curling iron. This is from Remington, and you guys can pick this up at Harmon's, Target, or anything like that. It's from the brand Remington, and it should be just $20. And I use this probably a couple times a week, and it's been lasting me a really long time. I think I've been using it for the past year, and I'll show you guys how I do wrap it around. I can definitely do a hair tutorial for you guys if you want, but this is really how I wrap it around. I like the top here to be kind of thick, and then I make it thin around here. And that's it. That's kind of how I curl my hair. It's really easy. Honestly, it takes about 15 minutes, and you guys can see like I have pretty long hair, and I can literally do my hair in 15 to 20 minutes. It's so quick. So I'm gonna try on these hair extensions, both the red wine and the purple one. So I have worn these before, so I can definitely let you guys know what my honest opinions are. Even though Hairdo did send this to me complimentary, obviously you guys know I'm always gonna keep it real with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I kind of do this. So okay you guys, so since my hair is on the thicker side, I actually like to use these type of hair ties. These are just clear bands that I get, and they're actually like hold up really well. I just got these from CVS, and it's from the brand called Studio 35 Beauty, and these actually hold up really well for just being like elastic bands. So I like the clear ones, and then you're definitely gonna need bobby pins, because when you wrap around the ponytail, you're gonna need to stick a bobby pin to make sure it like stays in place. So definitely get bobby pins. I like these because they kind of match my hair, but it doesn't really matter because it'll be hidden anyways. But so typically the way I would wear this ponytail hair extension is kind of like she is in the picture. Like I would put my hair all the way up here and do it like that. But because like I'm filming this and I want you guys to see each and every step, I'm actually just gonna do it to the side right here, just so you guys can see everything that's going on, because I feel like if I turn around, I won't know if the camera's in focus or not. Yeah, if you guys wanna wear it high up, it's literally gonna be the same exact steps that I'm gonna do like this. So I'm going to start with the red wine one just because it matches my shirt. So I actually have this extension brush from other extensions that I own. So usually what I do is I like to just brush it all out. And brushing it out is just gonna make your extensions look a little bit more thick. So let me show you guys the extensions. So right here you have this clip. So you're gonna put that right by the ponytail that you make. And then you have this tie around knot. And right here you have Velcro. So basically when you tie it like this, you can stick the Velcro and it'll stay. And then you have this little piece to wrap around. And you know how people do the whole little wraparound with their hair, and I think that looks so good. So it comes with that little wraparound, which will help hide the extensions. So my hair is pretty thick, but these elastic bands really do last well. If you guys are nervous that this elastic band may break, because you know that happens, then just use a regular hair tie. And it doesn't really matter what color it is because it's gonna be hidden anyways. So I'm gonna grab the clip that it comes with. And I've clipped that in my hair, right? And then I'm gonna wrap this around. And right here where the Velcro is, I'm gonna get the sticky part and make it connect. And once that I feel like it's connected, I'm good to go. So you guys can see right here, I'm going to zoom in the camera so you guys can see even better. But yeah, since I curled my hair before, you guys can see that it actually blended out really nicely. So the extensions are actually really, really long. Like my hair goes up to probably here, and you can tell the extensions are even longer. So I really love that. So I'm gonna get this twist around part and just wrap it around. So I'm just wrapping this around my hair. So now I'm gonna grab my bobby pins, and in the back here, I'm going to just put the bobby pins down. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, I'm gonna make sure that I do zoom in, but I put the bobby pins like right behind here. So for example, if you are wearing it really high up on your hair, you're gonna wanna put it underneath. So since I have it on the side here, I put the bobby pin right here. So I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So get the bobby pin like this. Get the bobby pin like this, kind of open it up a bit, and just stick that in back here, and it's just gonna really keep your hair from staying together. I'm going to just bring one more. But yeah, I wanna put it in the back here because I really don't want anyone to see that, you know, I have my bobby pin. So yeah, I just stuck it in the back there. Like you just pull it on top. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like. So it actually blended out really, really nicely. So when I used to wear hair extensions, I would curl my real hair with the extensions, and you could do it like this, you know what I mean? Like this is just an example, but yeah, it'll just make it look more blended and more realistic. So you can kind of blend the two together. So this is what it looks like on the side. I feel like there is a bit of a big contrast, but I have worn this on the top of my head before, and you can't really see the contrast because my hair is ombre, but I think it's just because I have it to the side that it looks a little bit more obvious. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and now wear it high up so you guys can see what it looks like that way, and I'm gonna do the dark purple one. So to take it off, all I do is basically take out the bobby pins. So yeah, I just went ahead and took off the bobby pins, and then you just unwrap the little part right here. And then, yeah, you just take off the Velcro and that's it. Oh, and also make sure you take off that little clip. And that's it. It was really easy. Just make sure you take this off, because I started to kind of like rip it off a bit, and then I was like, oh, I forgot about this clip. The way that I actually used to store my extensions is I would get, you know, like a hanger that has clips. I used to do that with my hair extensions and just hang it in my closet. Like my jackets and my extensions would be in there. Like, so I'm gonna put my hair in a high ponytail, and I'm using that clear hairband again. All right, so my hair is in the clear hair tie, and I'm pretty much ready to go. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing again, where I'm gonna put this clip in the back of the ponytail, and then I'll tie it around with the Velcro. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna grab the clip part right here, and I'm just gonna put it in the back of my ponytail and clip it together. And then I'm going to make sure that that is really secure, the clip, and then I will twist my hair around. So once you make sure that the clip is like really sturdy, you can go ahead and wrap your hair around. So I went ahead and did that, and I don't know if you heard that Velcro, but I can feel that it's like sticky. Oh, that is stuck together, I mean. Alright guys, so it's in my hair right now, and I feel like it feels pretty secure, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab this part right here. So this is the tie around hair, and we're just gonna tie that around the end of the hair, and it's just gonna hide that we have, you know, a ponytail extension on. So I'm gonna wrap that around. I like that it is actually pretty long, so it lets you wrap it around a couple times so that, you know, it's not obvious that you're wearing hair extensions. And then with my bobby pin, I am just gonna hide the back. So I'm clipping it together with the bobby pin, and I'm going to use like 2. So I'm just holding the end right here and just going in with my bobby pin. Alright, I'm just gonna pose in a bunch of different angles so you guys can see what it looks like, so don't mind me. So yeah, so I feel like this is a better representation of the hair extension, because I feel like on the side before it, you know, it was too much of a contrast, but here it just looks like my hair actually looks like I have dark hair at the top and then I have ombre at the end. So I feel like it looks just perfect when I wear it high up like this. And if you guys want, you can kind of like grab it and bring it towards the front like this. This is how I would wear it. So I'm ready to give you guys my final thoughts of what I thought about the Color Splash wraparound pony. So this is from the brand Hairdo. I will leave everything linked down below, so you guys can find this online if you want to. They have it in a variety of colors. So the ones that they came out with, I'm wearing 2 out of the 3 Coachella versions, but they actually have even more. So you have a lot to choose from. If you don't want to do purple and you didn't want to do red wine, they have pink, blue, green, lavender, you name it. So overall, I really do like these hair extensions. You really can't tell that they're synthetic at all. They're really, really soft. I like the fact that you can flat iron it and curl it. Sometimes you can't always do that with all extensions. So I thought this was a really good length and like good thickness, which allows you to like wrap it around the ponytail so it doesn't look obvious. So I like this little part right here. The Velcro is really good. It sticks together really, really well. And so is this hair clip. Okay, so the one thing that I actually think that this ponytail could improve on is, so I feel like this part right here, like this part right here where you get it to wrap around and then you put the Velcro on, this could have been a little bit longer to wrap around, because for me, I don't know if you guys could see, but I literally, when I wrapped it around, I have it like honestly at the very, very end. And I would say my hair is thick, but I wouldn't say it's too thick. So if someone else with even more thicker hair than me is trying to do this, it would be really difficult for them to wrap it around, because this isn't too long. So I feel like if this was just a little bit longer, just a little bit, this would be perfect. But when I wrap it around, I don't know if you guys could see, but I literally have it like at the very end, like it's like hanging for its life. So besides that, I think that is the one thing they definitely can improve on. They can just add a little bit more here, so it'll be easier for people to wrap around who have thicker hair. So alright you guys, so the price point on here I think just depends where you get it from, but it looks like it ranges from $39 to $50, so I think it just depends where you get it from. So it actually came in this packaging, which is really cool because it shows you kind of how to wear it, and then you open it up right here, and it actually came inside here, and then here it just shows you easy instructions. So not only does it show you like how to put it on right here in the inside of the packaging, they also have a bunch of links that show you how to put it on. I actually watched one of the videos and it was so clear and easy to do, and that's kind of how I learned to do it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go off camera really quick and put on the red wine one and just wear it high up like that. Even though you guys saw on the side, I'd rather you guys see what it looks like high up so you guys can see the difference between the two. So I'm just gonna go off camera since I already filmed how to do it, so I might as well just. So I went ahead and put on the red wine extension just so you guys could see what it looked like more high up versus when I had it down before like that. So So yeah, overall I really like these extensions, and so if you're looking to kind of spice up your life and you want to add a little bit of color, I would definitely recommend checking this out because, you know, you could just wear it for the weekend, take it out, and it is really, really long, so it's going to make your hair look very long. And like I said, just make sure that you curl your hair with the synthetic extensions because that's going to kind of allow it to look more real, or curl your hair before. So even though you can curl and flat iron these extensions, the one thing I will recommend though is that you don't bring your heat that high up. You wanna say like maybe 100 or 200 degrees. It's still gonna curl even at that heat, you know what I mean? So you might as well keep it low to make your extensions last even longer. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this demo. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at beautybydreav, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.